Hello everybody, so today I will talk about supply chain management. The topic today is about EOQ. So I will show the technique how to answer. We have three scenarios in here. That's about 0.82, 0.81 and 0.80. First, we need to find about EOQ for three scenario in here, and this formula. We have Q multiplied with D multiplied with C naught in here. C naught, that's about the ordering cost, and we have H, that's about holding cost. Because we have three scenarios, we will about EOQ1, EOQ2 and EOQ3. About EOQ1, that's about 0.82. So we got about D is about 50,000. Multiply with ordering cost is about 30. And holding cost is about 20%. Multiply with 0.82. We got about 4,277 units. But EOQ1 is greater than 2,499 units. So we retract this one because this is bigger than 2,499. So we cannot order during 0.82. Now let's go to EOQ2 and EOQ3. We use the same number but we change to 0.81, and we will go about 4,303 units. Because this number is between 2,500 and 5,000, so we can accept. Now we need to find the total cost of EOQ2. The total cost to calculate this one is about DCO. That's about demand multiplied with ordering cost, and you divide to Q is about the quantity, and then we have Q multiplied with H divided by 2 plus P multiplied with D. So we have D is about 50,000 multiplied with 30 divided to 4,303, and we have 4,303 multiplied with 0.162. That's about 20% multiplied with 0.81. That's why you got about 0.162 from the holding cost in here. Divide to number 2. Then we have the 0.81. That's about the price of this one. Multiply with the number 50,000 from the demand. So we can find the total cost in here is about 41,197.13 US dollar. And the last one, EOQ3, we have this number again, but we change to 0.80, and we calculate this number is about 4,320 units, but that's below than 5,000 units. So we need to choose 5,001 because we need to choose the smallest number of this range in here. And now we put about the total cost again. $50,000 multiplied with 30, then we divide 5,001 for this one, change to this one. This one we change to 0.16, that's about 0.8 multiplied with 20%, that's why you got about 0.16. This one change to 0. And we calculate that's about 40,702 US dollar. After we calculate that, this one is higher than this one, so we need to order 5,001 units to get the smallest total cost. So this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.